Hey everyone, how's it going? In this video, let's have a look at the Havoc OS for the LG V30. So this is the 3rd April build and it has the March Android security patch level as of now. So this is one of the most popular ROMs and has one of the most features. So let me just quickly go through the features that this ROM supports. So first of all, let's have a look at a few of the device specific features. So here are a few options for changing step up like screenshot sound, and here's the hi-fi quad DAC option. It works here and it works when you have plugged in your earphones, so that's cool. And I'll be leaving a link down in the description about the bugs below. So basically that contains all the stuff about the bugs this ROM has and that kind of stuff, and also the link for this particular ROM. And under the display section you have things like live display, which can be pretty handy. You have dark theme option and you can customize the font size, smallest width, so that's basically the screen size and the elements on it. You also have the option for always on display and it works really well. Now let's go to configuration center. There are a lot of options, so let me just quickly go through them. So here are all the options. You have the network traffic indicator, the high threshold, battery percentage. Also VO Wi-Fi and VoLTE doesn't work here, and it won't work at all by doing anything, so there's no fix or anything like that. And it does not work on any AOSP ROM. It only works on stock LG ROM. And also none of the LG camera apps or gallery apps or apps like that will work here. So camera app and hi-fi recorder app cannot be ported and you cannot use that here. So you'll have to use a third-party solution. So I'd suggest using Google cameras because those are pretty awesome. And the link to that will be down there as well. So here are all the options. You can customize the quick settings. So here are a few lock screen options, as you can see here. And the ambient display options, so you can change stuff up here. So because I've enabled always on, so that's why the other options are disabled kind of. You have a few button options, so you can customize that, as you can see here. And system navigation, you can even use the Android 10 gestures. So one minor bug that is only present in this ROM and not a general bug for all ASP ROM for LG V30 is that third-party gesture apps like fluid navigation gestures does not work properly. So I'm used to using that and I usually use that, but that does not work here. But Android 10 gestures work perfectly with Launcher, Pixel Launcher and other launchers that support it, but I tend to use Nova Launcher, so I've had to use the 2-button navigation. Alright. And you have swipe to screenshot options and you even have the touchscreen gestures. So those are pretty cool. And you have some notification options and you even have the edge lighting option for the AOD. And to be honest, it looks really cool. And you have some battery saving options like smart pixels, as you can see here. So basically these percentage of pixels will be disabled and they will keep shifting, so it will also prevent burn-in. You can change in the shift interval and save your battery. So let me go back, and you have suspend actions and you have screen thing. All right, animations, miscellaneous, you have a gaming mode and partial screenshot mode. As you can see here, there are quite a few options in the gaming mode as well, and you can add the apps you want for gaming. And you have the dynamic mode, which tries to detect the games. And the gaming mode is pretty cool. You can disable auto brightness with that and that kind of stuff, so that it does not interfere with your gaming. So that's pretty much it for this video. So if you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And about the performance and battery, the performance and battery are quite amazing. The ROM is fluid and the battery life is great. So no issues with that. And let me just say that and end this particular video.